Okay class, can I get everyone's attention up here, thanks. I'll get your devices down, pencils down and eyes up here. I'm just still waiting for silence. Thank you to this table over here. Okay, so that activity was quite fun, wasn't it? We got to use our devices, we got to make some emotions. I saw happiness, I saw sadness, I saw shock and anger. And we could kind of tell that a lot of it comes from the eyes, doesn't it? So we're going to start thinking about that and we're going to segue into our next activity. But before we do, I just want to ask you all a question first. Now this question, you don't have to shout your answer out. I want you to show me with your hands. So, 5 fingers is very confident. 0 fingers is not that confident at all. So, this is your question. Who is confident in drawing the human eye? I myself is a 2. I'm not that confident in drawing a human eye, but I'm still learning and I'm getting confident every day. But looking out here, I can see a few people that are actually confident. So I'll be coming around to you later. But now, hopefully some have figured out the activity, but for those who haven't, what is it? The activity today, we are all going to draw a human eye. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to open your visual diaries to the page where we wrote our learning intention at the start of the lesson. On this page, I want you to start drawing a human eye. And before I hear all the groans, I know, I have instructions for how to draw an eye coming around for those who want. You just need to put up your hand and ask. As well as I'm going to have them up on the board so everyone can see them. So for those who feel confident, don't worry, I haven't forgotten. You are still going to draw an eye, but I'll come around to you in a sec. For those who are not confident like me, what we're going to do is, before you ask a question to me, we're going to talk in our table groups, because I bet you'll be able to figure it out. There is a whole range of technical skill in this class and that I'm amazed of. So before you ask the question, talk to your table. If you still can't figure out, that's okay. Put up your hand and I'll come around. So, one more thing before we start. I want you to remember to have fun. This is about to challenge yourselves. Maybe it's something you haven't done. I want you to experiment, and the main thing is to have fun with it. So I'm going to start coming around and handing out these sheets of paper. I want you to get started, and for those who feel confident, I'm heading your way. Okay.